and I'm going to try and help you learn Spanish in the easiest way possible. In this lesson, we're going to learn a very important thing: how to ask people what time is it. And we're going to do this using the question ¿Qué hora es? But we've got to be able to answer, don't we? So let's get to it. I've drawn a giant clock at the whiteboard to make it easier for you to learn how to say what time is it. Let's start learning how to say full hours. And we're going to imagine my black pen is the little hand of the clock. For example, if the little hand of the clock is at 1, we're going to say es la una en punto. We're going to say es because it's only 1 hour, so it's singular. Now, the little hand moves to 2. Son las dos. It's 2 hours, so it's plural, and we're gonna use son. Son las 3. Son las 4. Son las 5. Son las 6. Son las 7. Son las 8. Son las 9. Son las 10. Son las 11 y son las 12. Well, now, for example, we see this little clock here. We can see the little handle is at 3 and the big handle is at 12. So it will be 3 o'clock. Son las 3 en punto. But what if the little handle would move to 5? We would say son las 5. Now that we know how to say the hours, we've also got to learn how to say the minutes. So my blue pen is going to be the minute handle, the big hand of the clock. If the big hand is at 12, we would say en punto. Son las 3 en punto. If it's at 1, instead of saying, like we do in English, past, we are going to say y. Son las 3:05. Son las 3:10. Son las 3:15. Son las 3:20. Son las 3:25. Son las 3:30. From this point, we're gonna stop saying e. And as in English, we said, for example, we will say 10 to 4. In Spanish, we're gonna say menos. So, for example, if the minute handle was at 7, we're gonna say son las 4 menos 25. Son las 4 menos 20. Son las 4 menos cuarto. Son las 4 menos 10. Son las 4 menos 5. And son las 4 en punto. Now let's see some little examples that I've drawn at the board. For example, this little clock, the little handle is at 8 and the big hand is at 4. So it would be son las 8:20. In this little clock, the little hand is at a little bit past 3 and the big hand is at 6. So it would be Son las 3:30. In this clock here, the little hand of the clock is nearly reaching 9, and the big hand is at 9. So it would be son las 9 menos cuarto. And what if the little hand of the clock was at 7 and the big hand was at 10? It would be son las 8 menos 10. And this was all for today's lesson. I hope you found the video very useful and you share it on your Facebook with your friends. Click the like button below and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.